Welcome to the channel. In my last video, I showed you the new truck I bought, and I told you I'd be getting some floor mats, and well, they were just delivered. Let me show you what I got. 3W Autolife. I looked at Huskies, I looked at WeatherTech, I looked at was it Lay's Fit? And I looked at these online. What I've seen online, I kind of like these. So, out of all of them, we'll see what they look like. So let's open this up. Ugh. There we go. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Passenger side. Welcome. What is this? Thank you for choosing. White teas. Create your personalized scent. What the heck? I don't know. I went with these. This is the passenger side. Instructions are on there. Yep. Because they were like WeatherTech, and seemed to be, it looked like they were a little bit hard. This is kind of like a hard and a rubber all together. Yeah. Comes with read before installing. Remove all your floor mats and debris. Inspect your vehicle. Okay. Anyway, this looks like it's going to be pretty cool. On the back side, it does have a little bit of teeth here to hit your carpet. Okay. These are meant for vehicles that have carpet. Right. So, all right. Here's the instructions. So please do not worry about your floor mats. Gets folded up due to packages. Give your floor mat some time to lay flat and restore its resilience. If necessary, manually fix the mats in the opposite direction of the fold. So what I'm going to do, here's the back mat. And of course it's going to have a little hump here. You know, I'm going to let it sit out for a while in the house, you know. But this is going to be, I like to, so, you know, hopefully it'll relax. Give it time to relax. But this is going to fit real, I think this is going to be fit real good. But anyway. Passenger side. Driver's side. Okay.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, as you can see, I got the regular, just carpet floor mats in my truck. So, first thing I need to do is vacuum up in here and then take out my old carpeted floor mats. Old, they're brand new, but you know what I mean. So, let's get the vacuuming.
A few moments later.
Okay. Mats are out. vacuumed. Okay. Back, I have the seats folded up so I can slide the other mat in. So I took the mats out, the stock mats, put them in the bag that the new ones came in, and I'm just going to throw them down in this box and keep them for. And just keep them. I always keep everything, you know. Okay. So I grabbed the driver's side, and as you can see, we got these little things here. Slide the mat in here. Oh, look, yeah. So, and try to find that clip. Popped on. Oh, there we go. Popped on. There. This is sticking up a little bit. They say you can let it sit for a while. It may form better. Twist it or bend it the way you want, or come out and get a heat it up a little bit with a blow dryer. It's kind of cold, a little bit cold today, so we'll let it set and rest. But I like this. It goes up there underneath the pedals, fits pretty good around here, comes down here, comes down to this except for this part sticking up a little bit. So hopefully this comes down and it goes all the way over to here. Looks pretty good. Let's grab the driver's side, passenger side. Now, okay, the passenger side doesn't have any of those snap things, so this just sits in there. It does have some little teeth, so hopefully it catches the, so hopefully it catches the carpet and doesn't move around. So let's put that in there. All right. Okay. Okay. This one fits better here. It doesn't fit as close over. It fits okay here. It's got a little bit of a gap over here against the firewall. I mean, not the firewall, but the, what do you want to call it? The hump. And it's not quite as, it's got a little gap there too, but looks okay. So we'll try that. Now the back. Okay. Now let's get the back in. See how this is gonna go. Okay. All right. Well, it needs to probably fit a little bit better here. It does. it's got a hump here. Got to warm up a little bit. It comes around here. It fits here pretty good. I don't know. It's okay. It's not the greatest fit, I don't think. Put the seat down. How do I put the seat down? Oh, there we go. Okay. Well, I'm not overly happy with this, but I guess it'll do for now. I don't know. Yeah. Well, I'm not particularly happy with the way the back fits. But we'll see if it warms up. If it warms up better. Well, I like how they fit in the front. They fit good in the driver's seat. Not so much here. I don't know. It's a little, hopefully it warms up, or I can heat this up later down the line and get this to fit better here. I know the hump here has got to come down a little bit. I'm not liking this part right here. On this side, it's like tweaked a little bit, so I don't know. I have to see. It comes down here. It's got a gap here though, and yeah, I don't know. Not liking how the back is right now, but we'll wait and see. Like I said, it's cold. See if it comes down. This sits okay. It's good here. Doesn't go all the way to the hump here. There's a gap here, and there's a big gap right here, so it doesn't form it. Look, but we'll see. All right. Well, that's the end of today's video. I don't know. What do you think? 3W liners. I've seen some, and some reviews, and people have good luck with them. They fit better. I don't know. I'm not too happy with the rear, really. But we'll see. I may have to, down the line in the summer, take some heat to it. So, blow dryer, heat it up, try to let it form. Hopefully it'll settle down. But they say let it settle, let it sit there for a while. It'll eventually settle down. We'll see. I'll do an update later. But that's the end of this video. If you're interested in them and try to give them a try for yourself, whatever vehicle, I'll leave a link here for the ones I got, and you can look up yours. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe you'll have better luck than I will, or I will, better luck than I did. I don't know. We'll have to see. So anyway, end of the video. If you want to, check out some more of my other videos, check out the next one up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.